Anhrefn are unmistakably a Welsh band. They sing in Welsh, a fact that is both important and beside the point. They explain.
It's the first question is always why you sing in Welsh, and it always seems more controversial than it is. In fact, you know,
it hasn't been resistance. I think there's been misunderstanding of a lot of people. We get asked those questions which, like, they wouldn't ask an African band, you know, why do you sing in African, or, you know, why are you black? You get those same sort of questions asked because we're Welsh and anything, you know.
You've got to do both things here, because we're playing the game to a certain extent, playing in London and things. Obviously, if there's an audience there, which there is, then they deserve, you know, gigs. But you do it because the media are there, so they can come and see you, obviously. But, you know, we work at different levels. Like, we're going to Ireland, and we're going to be doing lectures in primary schools and further education colleges about the language. So we've got a whole, like, especially in Wales, we play in schools and things, which it's sort of normal rock bands don't do.
That's something that always gets to me with like the so-called indie scene. Like, a lot of it is, you know, it's me, I'm in a band, you know, where's the gig? And, you know, they want to play in a decent, cool club, in front of decent, cool people. But that's just one audience. You know, what about the schools, what about youth clubs? Why don't they play there? I mean, they just don't, people don't seem to do it in the indie scene. I find it really big-headed of people. People have said in the past, oh, you know, it's not innovative. But, I mean, it's not meant to be. I mean, you've got to have... people who say, oh, music's got to be innovative, just as narrow-minded as someone who only likes Kylie Minogue. You've got to have the whole lot. So, in one way, we're just doing 4/4. Get up and dance to music. There's room for that.
What about this new single then? What's actually the English title of that?
That's What Next 89. It was done for Rock Against the Rich, isn't it?
But see, What Next 89 sounds really bad. It sounds...
Well, you can guess. I mean, if you're living in anywhere outside South East England, and we're not having a go at them either, but obviously what's going on in this country is, you know, a lot of people have been, you know, whatever they've been, knackered or whatever, yeah? Because of the government. And it does... We took part in the Rock Against the Rich tour, and it was all part of that, the house prices going up. And
it's like also like Thatcher's hammered everyone so much that there's no sense of like everyone in the same boat, like unionism or togetherness or whatever. It's all, people have been hammered so much, it's like got so everyone thinks, I'm going to make sure I'm okay. I can't afford to worry about anyone else anymore. Got to look after myself, which is really bloody crafty, that bitch. She's got everyone just crawling for themselves.